Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 208 in the GT line specification. This is a pre-registered car that's only done delivery miles. Comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So this car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.